Hello, Mr. Liu.
Yes.
Looking at the work that your company does, automation and robotic soldering, what opportunities do you see in Malaysia?
In Malaysia, we are helping our customer like Smart Modular, Benchmark, Micron. We help them to automate their process into fully solutions with their robot handling system. And we also provide auto soldering to replace this manual work so that they can get a better yield and quality in their production line. Yeah.
And what opportunities are you exploring in India?
This is the first time I'm in India. I'm looking for a business partner that is able to help us to penetrate into Indian markets, whereby we have our own 5-axis robotic soldering. We hope to get a business partner in India that is able to penetrate into Indian markets.
Great.
Yeah.
Any challenge that you are facing currently when partnering with India?
So far, I'm very appreciate FEC is helping us in this Indian market. They are very well organized in these events. We are very fruitful, and hopefully everything will turn on. Yeah.
Great. So thank you and wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.